Biophilic design is a revolutionary approach that integrates natural elements into architectural spaces, fostering a profound connection between people and nature. This concept draws on the innate human desire to connect with the natural world, which has been shown to enhance mental health, reduce stress, and increase overall well-being. By incorporating features like natural light, greenery, and organic materials, biophilic design creates environments that invigorate and inspire. Studies indicate that workplaces and homes designed with these principles lead to improved productivity and creativity. Ultimately, embracing biophilic design not only beautifies our spaces, but also nurtures our physical and emotional health through a deeper relationship with nature.